Okay, this is how you handle a fussy baby. We'll notice exhibit 1, a very fussy baby. We've already taken step 1, which is to swaddle her.
Very tight.
Now let's see if we can soothe her by turning her on her side.
Oops.
And that's how it's done. Love you.